Jadi saya sekarang ni berada di Taman Setia Warisan KSW, di mana 2 hari yang lepas saya baru saja cakap tentang banjir, dan hari ini memanglah berlaku banjir, ya. Dan antara masalahnya kalau kita tengok sungai ni, ban di sini tidak cukup panjang. Dan apabila sungai ini deras disebabkan hujan, maka air itu akan melimpahlah di bawah sini. Ya.
Two candidates contesting for the Sungai Buloh parliamentary seat in the 15th general election cancelled their evening programs to check on the flood situation in the constituency. Barisan Nasional's candidate Khairy Jamaluddin, who is also the caretaker health minister, went to Kampung Melayu Subang in Shah Alam, Selangor, while Pakatan Harapan's candidate Ramanan Ramakrishnan was seen in Taman Setia Warisan, also in Shah Alam. Khairy was due to greet voters at a night market in Kawasan Perindustrian Putra Sungai Buloh, but cancelled to assess the flash flood situation after many parts of the area reported an increase in water level. In a Facebook video, Ramanan was also seen standing in flood waters above ankle level while checking on the victims' welfare.